Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. Today I wanted to share with you this mailbox that I have made for a swap in one of my Facebook groups. I did use a digital file by SVG Cuts, and I'll link that in the description box just in case you guys are interested. So I use the paper pad Parisian Lane from Recollections, and I just think this is beautiful. So that's what I used with the collection, on the mailbox. And all I have done is I cut it out with my Cricut machine, and I did use double paper on this because the paper I didn't feel was sturdy enough for the mailbox. So all I did was I assembled my mailbox, and then I put pearls around the center or around the edges here, and I put pearls on the top as well. And then on these I used the BB Craft nesting heart dies, and I just put a little flower right in the center of each heart right there. And this comes from a die set I don't have on hand, but it is I believe it's a Spellbinders die. I don't remember exactly, but I'll have to find that and put it in the description box. So this comes from there, and this one as well. The 14 is from a different set that I have in my stash. And on this side, I made sure the Eiffel Tower was here. I put a key right there in the center, a few bling pieces, and then a applique bow on the top. So that is what that side looks like. And then on this side I used this was in a swap last year, and I just thought I've been looking for a good place for it, and I just love that. I don't know if you can see on the camera, it's got sparkle all throughout the edges here, and I think that was hand done, but so anyway, I used that for the bottom flower. And then these I believe are flowers from a package that I received in a swap, and they are Prima flowers, and those are beautiful little flowers. So I put a couple of those and some other roses that I had there. I tucked in a little ladybug right there, and this was from a flower a flower bunch that I had purchased, I believe, at Hobby Lobby. And I tucked in another heart and some little bling pieces throughout, just as filler. And then these leaves come from, I think it's Little Birdie. And yeah, that's how I did the flowers on this side. Now the top, I put this little trim on there. This was from last year. I think that I had gotten this one at, I believe, Target. And then I just put a little pearl right in the center of each heart. And the mailbox is functioning, so it does open up this way. And there is the inside. There is plenty of room for goodies. And we were supposed to make, or I did make 2 cards because that was a requirement. And I'll share those later. But I wanted to share this really, really cute Valentine's Day mailbox with you guys. Let me show you the back. The back is nice, plain, because I feel like that's either going to go against a wall or hung on the wall. But that is my quick project share, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. This was so much fun to make. I really did have a great time making it. All right, guys, it kind of looks a little intimidating, a little hard, but it isn't. There aren't that many pieces, and it comes together really, really quickly. So you get to the really fun stuff real fast. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and we will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day.